McKeag here with Liberty Aid Academy. You got to get this trust course, okay? You're just misunderstanding how fabulous the benefits are. Not only do you not pay any federal income tax, but you don't report either, and that's including if you have a business. Yeah, if you have a business, yeah, you don't. You still are legally not required to pay the IRS or report to them. You automatically have 501c3 status. But that's not the only benefits. This is allows you to do other things, completely gaming the system. You gotta love it. I'm gonna log in here. This access thing here, this is a EBT, okay? And yeah, you get an EBT. It's fantastic. It's free. Uh, oh, things in the way here. Let me move this. Okay, we just had to update that to get in. Let's show you this now. Okay, here it is. No verification. Oops. And this window's in the way again. Details. Click here on the food assistance. Let's click here and see what we got. There it is. Monthly amount $250. That's it right there. Let me move this out of the way so you can see the other stuff. But okay, and it's good till date benefit available. Look, yeah, I'm good to go. Uh, okay. So that's $250 there every single month because I use this trust. That's what? That's $3,000 a year. That's more than the course in the first year. But wait, that's not all. Look behind door number three. No, it's so good. I want to show you something else here too. It's so fabulous. Okay, look. You qualify for the Affordable Connectivity Program. Now it's time to sign up with a provider. Isn't this great? Affordable Connectivity Program. What? I love it. SC is just proof that it worked for me. There you go. And this is super good. I'm gonna mark that on red again. And here it is. Here's the outcome right here. Look at this. This is so good. Xfinity. Your application has been approved. Thank you for enrolling in the Affordable Connectivity Program through Xfinity. Yay. On an upcoming Xfinity bill, you will soon see a credit applied to your costs of your current internet service, at least modem. What? Nice. So that's every single month. Every single month. It doesn't say here for how much, but I could tell you how much it is. You can, I guess we could look it up too in this video. What is it? Let's do a quick Google and show you what that is. Okay. It's gonna have it right here, I think. This is yeah. Oh God, I love it. It doesn't say how much it is here, unfortunately. Anyway, oh my goodness, I didn't have the dollar. But this is good because here, let's look it up again. Because I know how much it is. Here we go. There it is. That's what I'm looking for right here. Uh, Save up to $30 a month. And that's what happened. That's what happened over there at Xfinity. See that? I got the email from them right here. $30 a month is what they're going to credit the account for cable for wireless. I don't have TV through them, but for internet service, it's $65 a month on the service that I get because I got more business level service to get like higher speed uploads because I make videos and I gotta upload them. So like this one, but it just basically got cut in half, which is fabulous, $30 a month. So that's $250 a month plus $30 a month just in these things that I'm showing you. So that's what do we got there? That was $3,000 a year plus $30 a month is 360. So $3,360 a year. Plus, if you want one, no, I'm not counting. All right, door number 4. If you want one, uh, what is it? Uh, Shock. Oh, SCHOK free phone. This is government benefit programs, free phone. Yeah. So this Q-Link thing here. This also is something if you want it, because it's the same process application for getting approved. This affordable connectivity program, you have to go. What did I showed you this already? No, I didn't. Let's go back here. So good. But yeah, no, I'm just saying. Uh, you could look into this, but it's a free smartphone now. It's not super quick, and it doesn't work that easy, and it uses Android, and they track you like crazy. But it's a free phone. It's a free smartphone as well. Once you get that EBT card, you can parlay that into this free phone and $30 discount. Or if you're willing to go with a different service, I already had like Comcast Xfinity for my uh, internet provider. You could choose one in your area that will give it to you for free. You know what I mean? You'll apply your credit and you'll get kind of like the highest level of service that they have that's free. So free internet, free phone. Anyway, these are a couple of the perks here over here waiting once you get to trust. The course is $24.95, so it's a very reasonable course. You get my time in it, you get how to build credit for the trust and so on, right? You get a lot with it. It's amazing what you get with this, right? But what I'm trying to show you is it pays you money first year and every year after that in so many ways. I just wanted to show you a couple easy ways. What are you waiting for? It actually pays money monthly, right? To get this trust, to open this trust. Not, I didn't even remember. Right now. I didn't bring up the money of not paying federal taxes and not paying and not reporting to your income tax. You don't have to do that. So I didn't bring up that cost. I'm showing you all the money you get. Not all the money, but I'm showing you some of the money that you get when you game the system and simply follow the rules. I'm an accountant. Have a good accountant that teaches you how to run a trust, not to pay taxes, get all this money, and basically you don't need me as an accountant because you have all the information yourself. What are you waiting for? Come on, get the trust. Our team will help you through it. Everyone, literally everyone, successful. So, what are you waiting for? Come on, start your year off right. Let's do this. We're here for you.